In this video, we're going to talk about DAZ 3D, which is a company and also a producer of rendering software and 3D assets, 3D content. In this video, we're going to see the official website. We're going to see where we can get some 3D models, but also where we can get the DAZ 3D Studio, which is a software that can be used to work with characters, especially. So we are talking about 3D, but especially characters and humans and things like that. So let's jump into the official website here. I'm gonna open up another window, and there it is. This is the official website. You can, we're gonna explore it a little bit, but first of all, let's get started for free. Exactly, so we can get this for free. We can download it for free. All you need to do is to create an account and register. Once you are registered, the download is gonna appear right here at the bottom left. In my case, I've already registered, so I will go right here on the top right, and I'm going to insert my email address and password, and I'm going to stay logged in. Okay, so I have typed in my credentials and I click login. And so I can use this login on any machine. And recently I already downloaded one. You can see here I have my space with a lot of stuff. It's pretty big, but let's get into what we are interested in, which is the that's Central, which is kind of a launcher, kind of a dashboard where you can then download assets and software and so on. So let's click here, and all right, and let's download. Now this is the first download. We just need to start with this. So I will save this in my download folder. It's gonna take not so much. It's gonna take a couple of minutes. Okay, I've just finished the download and it's gonna open up automatically, I guess. Otherwise, okay, there you go. I could go into the download folder where it was downloaded. Okay, now I think it's opening up. And this is a wizard that will guide you. So let's get it real quick. Download this, next, and there you go. And it's not gonna take too long to install as well. Now this is not, again, this is not the actual software. This is kind of a bridge, I'll call it like a launcher that will get you to other software and stuff. Now this is the icon here of DAZ Central. And from here, we're going to download DAZ Studio, which is the actual software, and also content and assets. There you go. Now let's finish and launch it automatically. And I need to sign in once again into my account. Okay, just making smaller for you. So my account, it's this email here, and also password. Okay, I need to get it and sign in. Now I will access this page here. Okay, okay, it's already asking me if I want to install DAZ Studio. So I can say yes, install this application right here. And now it's starting to install. Now this is gonna take a little bit longer. So it's the entire application. While this it's installing, we can make a little bit of exploration of, you can see here, this is explaining you how the dashboard works and everything you can do with your dashboard. So let me close this tutorial here. This is continuing to installing, so I will keep it that way. And you can see here I can access already some models, so I can install these models as well. Now on the right side, in the left side, you have these different menus where you can, you can download again DAZ Studio. This is what we are doing just right now. You can see here also the installing process, and also this is the actual site of this version. The version is 4.15, and we have also useful links here with tutorials and documentation and other stuff here. Also the DAZ store, it's pretty interesting here. I will show you right here. Okay, here you can buy a lot of stuff. You can also find a lot of stuff for free. If you want to see something for free, let's close this right now. Okay, if you go down here and you select price low to high, it's gonna show you a lot of free stuff you can see here. And also pretty interesting, you have many bridges to other applications like Unity, Unreal, Maya, 3ds Max, Cinema 4D, Blender, and also other stuff here that you can check by yourself. You can see there is a lot of to watch. And okay, now it's telling me something here. Okay, I will say yes. And well, that's it. Now I will show you also something else. Here, this is the YouTube channel where you are right now. It's called jbdtube. You can subscribe and also stay updated for future video guides like this, or also video courses and video lessons. So if you go here on the video, you can see the latest videos. If you go in the playlist, you can see our video courses. At the top of the page, you will find some English video courses like 3ds Max or Cinema 4D, and also many other stuff that will be really interesting if you're interested in 3D design, 3D modeling. And also I will suggest you this one here, which is called Mapbox, and it's a software to create characters, but you can directly model in 3D and sculpt. And you can sculpt everything. You can paint on your models, you can sculpt, you can do a lot of stuff. So I definitely suggest you give it a look here on our YouTube channel. Also, please support us with the community page here. We have a little bit of projects, and this is a link for a small donation, and also through the store. Of course, you can support us. In this video, I will talk about again. And you can support us also by sharing and leave your comments and suggestions. All right, now I want to show you a little bit about the website while the software is downloading and installing. You can see here also you have the shop, and there we go, we are back in that page. You also have community page with galleries, and so you can check a lot of works made with DAZ 3D, and it's pretty outstanding what you can do here with this software. Okay, now let's get back here. Okay, we are halfway from the installation, so I'm gonna pause right now the video and get back to it later. Well, actually, let me show you just quickly how the DAZ Studio also. Oh, now it stopped. Be careful, because sometimes it stops automatically. I don't know why. Maybe when you change page here. You can see also you have different assets that you can install directly from here. Many of these are free to use. Also, you can check the plugins here. For example, we have this bridge for Photoshop, so we can probably use with Photoshop, and also GoZ, which is to be used with ZBrush, which is another modeling and sculpting tool. And also you have resources. So you have really a lot of stuff here going on, and you're gonna have to take some time to explore everything. Also here you have other external links with the store, documentation, forums, and support. Okay, you can see the software is downloaded right now. I can decide to uninstall or open it up. So I will click open, or another way is to get your icon, your desktop icon here, double click on this, and you're gonna get the same result. So I will get rid of these icons, and I will find those in my start menu every time. So now I need to select some options here. And let's say that, yes, I want to create this library, and it's opening up the software. There it is. So the first time it's gonna ask you if you want to participate or not. I will say no now. And also I don't want to connect right now. I will stay offline. And then you have this initial panel that will ask you if you want to watch some training videos, go to the marketplace and do a quick start guide of the interface, interact tutorials, user guide, and so on. Now I'm gonna use this one here, Scene Builder, to show you how we can build a scene right away. And also, I'm sorry it's so small right now, but I cannot change. Well, let me do this. I will try to. No, I cannot do it. So just follow me on this. So I will add a female character and move on. And so the first time you don't have many choices here. So I will just go forward and real quick, just to show you how everything is gonna. There you go. So I have my female there in the background. I will show you that later on. I will have to choose here kind of hair and kind of clothing. But again, I don't have many choice here. I just have to select what's inside here. Well, let's get this swimsuit, and the pose. It's gonna be, well, let's select the first one. Doesn't matter. You can then play around with these yourself. Okay, you have many poses, not just one, but if you want more, we'll find that in the various libraries. Okay, and also I don't have an environment right now, but I don't care. Just want to show you how the software is looking. Now I can increase the size of my view here, and I can start to, well, you can use the scroll wheel to scroll back and forward, and you have some navigation tools here on the top part. This is the orbit. The first one is the orbit. Then you have the pan, and then you have the scroll again. And also, if you want to frame your subject, you can click on this, and you can reset the view in the initial state. Now, as you can see, it's kind of organized like any other software. You have these drop-down menus at the top. You have this toolbar at the top as well, and you have many different things that you can get in the products here. Also, we have files. So it's divided into kind of panels here in the left side, as you can see here. You also have render settings and other stuff. And this toolbar also at the top is pretty important. So for example, if I want to launch a render, I can click here to render the scene. So we'll also show you how the render looks like. And it's gonna look good. Well, better than the interactive view here in the viewport. There you go. So I don't have anything right now. I don't have background, I don't have environment, I don't have any other assets, just have this girl here, and that's it. But this is kind of show you how the render is gonna look like. And also you have other panels here in the left. You can see how this model is composed. It's not just a single mesh, but it's composed by many meshes and also by the bones system. So this model here is rigged, which means that if you move a bone, it's gonna move part of the model. So if I move kind of, the move tool, by the way, it's well, this is called the universal tool actually. This is the navigator, and this is the move tool right here. So if I select like this forearm, you can see everything moves because everything is connected by this kind of skeleton that's inside, which is composed by bones. So everything is connected. I cannot just move everything without link a single part without moving the others, because they are kind of linked together. Now this is the center of the model. So this is where everything starts, and then I have the legs and the feet. So I can post this myself if I play around a little bit. So it's pretty fun, it's pretty cool when you start to customize your pose and the scene itself. And also you have tips and generate phase, other stuff here. So I'm not going to get into deep with this because this is just an introduction, just to show you guys how you can download it and install it and just like start to play around. Then you have a lot of stuff here going on, so you have to take your time, check the tutorials. If you support us with our channel, if you send us a little bit of donation, if you subscribe, and if you make others subscribe, so if you share this content and support us with our YouTube channel, we can definitely make more videos about DAZ 3D in the future. If you're interested, let us know. And this is again the YouTube channel, so please check our other videos, our video courses here on the playlist page. Support us with the community. We have many projects, and also this donation here with this PayPal link. and also through the store. Now, one last tip I want to show you is this search bar here. You can search for Armor Paint inside our channel, and this is also a really nice open source, totally free software that you can use to create characters, especially if you have to create materials and painting. So I think this is really wonderful. You can just search for Armor Paint, install, and you will find it all in the playlist. You can check the entire video course if you go right on the, well, it's not there yet, but we're gonna add it also in the video courses right here. So again, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.